This video explains how to perform standard pipetting with the BRAND Transferpette electronic pipette. This is intended as a general guide and not a substitute for your operating manual. Before operating the Transferpette electronic, wear all the appropriate personal protective equipment and observe all safety precautions. The Transferpette has 4 simple keys to navigate the user-friendly menus, in addition to the pipetting key and the tip ejection button. To turn on the pipette, press the rightmost enter key. If the pipette has blow on the screen, it indicates that the instrument needs to be blown out before proceeding. Press the pipetting key and the instrument will move the piston to the correct position to aspirate, as indicated by the upward pointing arrow on the left portion of the screen. First, set the pipette aspiration and dispensing speeds. Press the menu key and the word speed and the upward pointing arrow should flash. Use the centrally located up or down arrow keys to select the desired speed, then press the enter key to confirm. Once the aspiration speed is set, press the menu key twice. The word speed will continue to flash, but now the downward pointing arrow will flash. Adjust the dispensing speeds using the up or down arrow keys, then press enter to confirm. If the pip icon is present on the top of the screen, the pipette is now in standard pipetting mode. If this is not the case, press the menu key again, and the mode icon will flash in the lower right corner of the screen. The current mode will be displayed. Press the up or down arrow keys to scroll until the pip icon is displayed. Then press the enter key. The display now shows blow. Press the pipetting key and the instrument will move the piston to the correct position to aspirate. To adjust the volume setting, press the up or down arrow key once, and the volume indication will flash at the bottom of the screen. Press and hold the up or down arrow keys to get to the desired volume. For faster adjustment, if the minimum or maximum volume is pressed, the display will roll around to the opposite end. Once the desired speed is displayed on the screen, press the enter key to confirm the setting, and the pipette will be ready to be used. Press the pipetting key once to aspirate and press it a second time to dispense, as indicated by the up or down arrow icon. The blowout function is automated. The Transferpette electronic shuts off automatically after 10 minutes of inactivity.